All right, we have a Tesla Model 3. And what you're gonna see is there are dents here. Now these dents on this body line are completely double paneled. So you have to remove the door panel. And the way to remove the door panel, there is a plastic trim piece and a T30 screw there. And it's right underneath here and underneath, crap, here. Okay, so here and here. That's it, just two T30 bolts that you pop out. So now my buddy here is gonna show how he removes the door panel. So it is a pop system, boom. So they're all just popped in with a bunch of pops. And then you gotta unhook the wires. And then this is a bunch of 8mm?
Yeah.
And those 8mm come out. And then with the removal of this, I have access.
You need to take the glass out first.
Oh, you have to take the glass out first.
These are the access holes.
Access holes to take the glass out. Oh, we gotta put the glass up.
Yep.
Oops.
It's okay.
That's a whoopsie. So anyways, there is that. One important thing is to make sure that this bolt is lined up with that access hole so you can remove the glass. Good. A good note is this light down here, if you unplug this light before you adjust this, you will not be able to do that. Once you unplug that light, the ability to adjust the height of the window, you lose that ability. So make sure you get that lined up before you disconnect everything. What are you doing right now?
I'm marking it so that when I'm putting the glass back in, I just line that up right there.
Okay, so you know exactly where it's gonna go.
Yeah, because then the window has too much play.
Okay, perfect. All right, so you've removed the bolts. You're removing this rubber, which is just clipped in, and then you pull up. All right, easy peasy, and then that pulls right out. Awesome. And so what you'll see is, I mean, this thing's double paneled all the way down. That's 8mm?
Yes, sir.
This bolt was a 13mm.
Right. And do not unbolt the regulator.
Do not unbolt the regulator. So the big silver ones with the washers there, do not undo those. Got it.
And there's a clip here, and a clip here.
Okay. Okay, perfect.
Pulls out with the regulator.
Pulls out with the regulator. Okay, perfect. And then what that does is that gives you access right there. So my dent is gonna be right underneath here. All right. That is how you get it done.